anyone who understands what this means? Non-Singaporean only. Alright, so this is hello to everyone. Am I correct? Okay. Okay, so Pundi AI actually started way before, and we were called Pundi X. That was in 2017. So that was kind of like the predecessor, but the predecessor is still operating in the space. So we are a financial infrastructure point of sales service. And we started in 2017 and has been expanding all over, and we have been listed on Upbit, Bithumb, Binance, Coinbase, and etc. So these are some of the things that we are doing. One of them is partnership for USD1. We will be announcing, am I supposed to say, something with Circle for Binance, on Perps, and etc. But of course today I'm not here to talk about Pundi X. I'm here to talk about a new project that we are incubating. We call it Pundi AI. And from the name you would obviously know that it is the same team with Pundi X, the team that has started building since 2017, and we have started incubating a AI project called Pundi AI. Alright, so the innovator's wall. So Alex has a breakthrough idea, but the problem is that high quality training data is very expensive. And the dream is to crowdfund the data, build the agent, and make money. The contributors then is that a data scientist, Sarah, creates a valuable label data set. But her data set, once sold, it's gone. And how can she resell over and over again? Therefore, we realize there's a broken economy whereby innovators are starved of capital, creators are trapped in a one-time model, and data is treated as a illiquid static asset. So we want to make data sets liquid. The key point is that a revolutionary platform to tokenize high-quality AI data sets, and thus creating a vibrant, transparent, and decentralized marketplace. This is what Pundi AI Data Pump and AI Agent Launcher is, transforming static data into tradable on-chain asset. So what are the 3 steps? It's actually very obvious for those of you that are in Web3, those of us. One is actually to tokenize the data set. Anyone can launch a DTOK on Data Pump. Choose a base pair and set the parameters. Second, you can crowdfund your data set or the agent that you train with your data set. Basically, let the crowdfunded data set or agent achieve bonding curve. And obviously, each purchase would actually raise the price. And finally, when it's launched, it goes to a DEX. And so far, it's pancake, but we are aiming for more. So the ecosystem flywheel is that developers have an access to an expanding pool of affordable liquid data set. Contributors actually have access to funding. And the community actually becomes an investor. So as community members, if you buy the DTOK, you actually become a co-owner of the data set or the agent that is trained using the data set. And for developers, it allows capital to be raised, a marketplace, which is the Pundi AI Data Pump, an affordable, a competitive, open market, and the data quality is ensured. And for community, for people that are looking at the platform, you can actually act as a incentive to trade the data, to contribute, and of course, to be an investor. The number of tokens that you buy correspond to the ownership of the data agent or the data set. The pricing is based on bonding curve, something that we are familiar with, and it comes with MEV protection and draw contracts safety. So these are some of the numbers. We have over 120,000 data sets on the platform, from very high quality data sets to data sets that are more day-to-day. For example, data sets from CT. So you can actually find data sets of CT, and maybe you can train your agent to behave like a certain personality that you want. We have over 28,000 data contributors, and so far, because it's a new launch, we only have 120,000 tokens or agents launched, and only 16 that have completed funding. You can use the AI data marketplace to look for the data that you want. You can use Data Pump to actually launch the train agent or the data set, and you can also use our AI agent launcher to train your agent. The future is here, so if you're a data creator, an AI developer, or an investor, please go to data.pundi.ai and take a look at what you can do there. And obviously one more thing, so we want to prepare a $1 million prize pool for tokens or AI agents that are launched on our platform. Basically designed to supercharge adoption of the DTOKs on our data pump, and each qualifying DTOK will share the $1 million prize pool. And here we have a trailer to share what it is about.
In a world trained on data, the next breakthrough won't come from a boardroom. It'll come from you and the community that rallies behind your idea. Introducing the DTOK 10M Challenge, a global arena for builders, researchers, KOLs, creators, and Web3 communities. Anyone can launch a dataset token, grow it on-chain, prove staying power. No grants, no pre-funding, no gatekeepers, just your vision. Data pump on BNB chain and the open market. Create your DTOK and pair it with Pundi AI. That's it, you're in. To enter, upload at least one dataset to the Pundi AI data market and generate your DTOK on Pundi AI data pump. Every DTOK pairs with Pundi AI as the base trading pair. Your mission? 3 checkpoints. 1. Hit the bonding curve within 48 hours of launch. 2. Reach $5 million market cap within 6 months upon trading on PancakeSwap. 3. Hit and maintain $10 million market cap for 30 straight days, also within 6 months. Clear checkpoints unlock rewards in Pundi AI, up to $10,000 per DTOK from a $1 million pool, credited to the DTOK creator wallet after on-chain verification. Creative launches, real community, bonding curve readiness, sustainable performance, MEV protections, and fair pricing level the field. Manipulation and wash trading are out. Start line October 1st, 2025. You've got 6 months to hit the milestones. The challenge ends when the pool is claimed. Your data, your community, your momentum. Launch, rally, sustain. Enter the DTOK 10M Challenge. Check our announcement on Pundi.ai.
The DTOK challenge is basically if you can actually train an AI agent, or you can actually use your data set to crowdfund to over 5 million worth of pair in Texas, you will then be rewarded with 10,000 worth of tokens. So that is the DTOK challenge. So for those of you that are interested, you can go to data.pundi.ai or our socials to look at the details. So again, train the AI agent or the data set to reach $5 million market cap to receive the reward. And so once again, thanks. That's it.